and welcome to Captain of Industry, Episode 1. I did 15 minutes ago try streaming already, but I forgot to click the go live button, so I had to redo the map quickly. So, this is a game where you build factories, interconnected factories. While it does have belts, it does have, I think, quite a bigger. It does rely on trucks, at least initially, much more, which I do appreciate to quite an extent, I'd say, since it then allows you to more easily start everything up, and then once everything is coming along nicely, then you can switch over to using the belts, which are a bit more costly afterwards. So I'm playing on the captain difficulty, I believe, the middle one, and I'm playing on this Skull Island, which seems to be quite abundant in resources. Let's see. Yep. Lots of everything, I think. Except for red. Water is... Okay, I do have water here. Okay. That's nice. Okay. So, building up some basic infrastructure now. Let's go like this. Something's in the way. Ah, right, yes. Let's chop these trees that are in the way first, and then let's also order this to be chopped down. Let's give this guy 2 trucks initially. Research. Let's go with the research tree. We need construction. And after construction, I think I'm just gonna go. I'll just go brick production queued up, basic diesel. Tools I don't need just yet. I'll go for construction 2 and for storage. That should give me some initial research things. And let's go with the metal caster here. Here. I really like how this game does connections. Like you can just click here and select the correct tool for what you're trying to do. Okay, so will I go with the pipe here? Yeah, I will, but I'll first prepare the smokestack. So why I'm using pipes and not just direct connections to the smokestack is simply since I would like to... Wait, this won't work right. Quickly, let's cancel it. I think at least you can have the joining pipe right where it's touching something. So do it like this. I think I didn't actually solve my initial problem. Yep. Okay. I'm a bit confused, I guess. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. Let's see. I'm just checking if the stream works this time, so I don't have the same situation as before. Yeah, seems to be fine. Sorry for that. Okay, let's just go. I like to usually go with the pipes high up and just always have them high up so that they're not in the way of trucks and stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna take coal and we're gonna get iron scrap and make iron plates. Iron scrap is gathered here. Excellent. Now we have some supplies food-wise, so that should be fine, but I'll then expand, I guess, down here or here and make some farms. Okay, so we now have everything we can have, I think. So we got waste management, right? What I'll also do is allow only throwing waste for now. Where I'll do that, I don't quite know yet. Somewhere here I could... Otherwise it seems to be very flat, which is great. Great for building. So I'll expand, or maybe... I would like to flatten this as well. I don't want to drop the waste too close to the settlement. I'm not sure if that works as a mechanic, like pollution, but... Okay, I think I'll go here, like everything here I want to just flatten. Okay, so now that that's underway, let's see how's the. Oh, I'm just checking the stream and the quality seems to be quite bad. Let's see. Yeah, okay. The game doesn't seem to be really perfectly vibing with YouTube's compression, I think. I'll see. Hopefully it's fine enough. I tried some settings, but I'm not sure I did anything right now. Doesn't seem like it changed much. Because the bitrate seems to be fine. I think just the grass texture might be problematic. Okay, so we have the made construction. Okay, which means we can now build the assembly. Where do I want? If I'm gonna do iron here, and expand the village here, food here, have much room, I guess. Initially, I shouldn't care too much about where I build stuff. I can relocate things afterwards. So I can craft construction parts here. So I'm getting bricks, I'm getting wood, and I'm getting iron already. I will need to invest in these two afterwards, but for now this is fine. Okay. And I'm making coal, which is nice. I could. How much coal does this use? This takes 3 coal per 20 seconds. This produces 5 per 40. Could maybe just have 2 of these up here to supply them, to supply this iron mine. Right, where do I have coal? So I have copper here. And I'm guessing, what's that, limestone above it? I'm not sure what that color is. Okay. Oil, water, enormous amount of iron. Ah, there's coal. Okay. Let's turn the overlays off. So we get iron, copper, and coal. How far are we vehicle mining? Is that it? Yeah, mining control tower is already here. Okay. So this is being researched. Till then, we are making new construction parts on our own. Do we have any storage already? We don't have any storage yet, so we're still waiting for that. Right, I can speed up the process a bit with the time thingy. Okay. So, excellent. So we're gonna have some mining areas which I can't designate just yet. Okay, then let's just wait it out until this is built. Once this is done, start making vehicles. Guess what I could do, since I'm waiting already right now, is make another assembly here for construction parts. How's my iron production? Iron is coming along acceptably. I think I might need to up the audio just a bit. Yeah, this is better. Go. Okay, so I have some cement, which I don't need yet, and a bunch of other stuff. Okay. Considering the first laboratory is essentially free, it doesn't cost anything effectively, I think, except for Unity, maybe? Yeah. I'll build a second one just to speed up through the first layer of research. Okay, so we can now make vehicles. So for now, I'll just build this guy over here. And you to build, you need rubber, diesel, and I'm not sure how they're called. I think machine parts or something like that. Since those are needed for you specifically, I'll quickly make this thing over here. Vehicle parts, yes, makes sense. vehicle parts which need mechanical and electronics, so just truck them in. So we need coal, iron, and copper, and then a bunch of trucks to support those. Okay, next thing, basic farming is researched. Let's go like over here. Get potatoes growing here. But it started the construction here, yeah. Okay, mine control towers. Let's also set those up. They will be the iron mine. You here can be the copper mine. Also, I need to queue up the removal of these trees, I think. There we go. Over here. And then I also set coal mine over here. Okay, so basic farming we handled. Trading dock. Oh, and that also gives us storage. There we go. Ah, okay, this is a bit problematic due to the big ship being there. Here. Yes, excellent. And that's done. Maintenance depot. Yes, I would very much like to have you. I guess here for now, and I'll then pipe the things in and craft the missing components for that. Okay, let's add. Not sure I'm gonna be using that much wood for coal, but sure, let's for now let's go like this. Okay. Diesel generator. Do I already need power? I don't think so, but I can still craft it. So where was oil again? Up there? Anything else over here? No. So somewhere here I could maybe processing it. Ah, I already placed iron here. And not perfect, not perfect. I'll just shove it here for now and I'll move it later on. We have the option of collecting water now, which is great. Place you over here, and can I store water already? Not yet. But I can make the brickworks building. Ah, right. That also means I could go with another mine tower here to flatten the area and get myself a bunch of dirt. So let's go with one more of you, two more of you. So brickworks. We're gonna need to get water in, we're gonna need coal, and we're gonna need dirt. So or now I'll just set it up like this. Queue up those trees to be cut down. Okay, so let's say like this now. Flat like this. Okay. Iron mine. Like that. Okay, my trucks are very busy. Good to know. Now let's just go like this. Power and maintenance. So maintenance we handle, power we are also building. Bricks production. We are able to collect some water and we have the bricks building next to it. What I could do is, yes, I do have the pipes. I'll just, no, like that. No, not like that. In case I want to expand later on, that's why I want to connect here on the upper part. Very good. Okay, then I again need a chimney stack. So pipes, and I'll again go here and go up. There and there. And then I can connect up here if I expand in that direction. So coal should be delivered, dirt should be delivered. That should be that part. Basic diesel. Let's see. Oil pump. I decided for quite an awful spot for iron production. Let's distill it over here. And then we waste the evil water. Oh, that's the wastewater. Let's just go like that. There we go. Excellent. So now with that connection, we got our oil coming in. Oh, we're actually missing people. We'll handle that. So we got oil coming in, and then we get diesel out, and we get exhaust out. So let's also take care of the exhaust here. Excellent. And now we also need the rubber maker. Let's then go again with some pipes to there, and some high pipes to over here. There we go, and we are now able to produce rubber. Excellent. What else? Copper. And fluid storage, yes, fluid storage I do want to build here somewhere. I shouldn't have, yeah. Okay. Shouldn't have built that initially, just should have waited for the fluid storage research, but it's fine. So, wood-wise we are problematic, and construction material-wise we're also problematic. Okay, so we're capable of starting the copper stuff now. For now, let's just wait a bit still. How much do we still have how much iron scrap? We still have quite a bit of iron scrap, so I could start with copper down here, I guess. So on that and that gun and that. Don't need to plan in advance when I'm gonna remove trees, since they do take some time to be removed. Okay, we're at -6 workers. Did I already queue the beacon? No, I didn't. Let's queue up the beacon so we get a few more workers. And all of these I think require, I'll just research these because I'm not gonna be making like 2 construction components just yet anyway. And once that's done, we are gonna need this. We will need the conveyor belts. Fuel station is useful, groundwater pump is useful, and then some farming improvements. Okay, so let's just grab one guy to there, one to here, and this one is also built. Excellent. What this tells me now is I really need more trucks. Like, really need more trucks. Okay, we're missing quite a few workers. How many workers does this take? 4. Not that many, to be absolutely honest. This is working quite fine. I will just leave it as is for now. And then as needed, I'll adjust and turn off some of the industries to turn off some other industries. So let's see. The copper stuff. I can't do the planning yet. So copper refinement. It's fine. Synthetic rubber. I actually did already prepare that. Okay, so the copper production will be down here. I think it goes like one of you goes to 2 of you, goes then back to 1 of you. Oh, that's the input side, so let's see. Go. Not too huge of a fan of doing such massive pipeworks, but I will adjust that over time. Okay, so you guys are just getting dirt. I don't want to be warned if you can dump dirt, since you're meant to be mining dirt only, not dumping it. So that this slowly gets flattened, then I can use the dirt for the brickworks production here. Construction 2, I don't care about just yet. Storage, yes, excellent. That means I can prepare some of the stuff for loose storage, which actually I won't do just yet, because I don't have enough construction parts, essentially. I want to get to a healthier spot in regards to the construction parts for that. There we go. And you're gonna be using this recipe. Be using that recipe. Oh, we are now still missing the belts. So after the beacon, can actually view the queue as is. Like, so beacon. After the beacon, there are 5, 2, 3, 1. Where's there? Okay. So let's get the conveyor belt up. Let's get the research tools. Actually, before research lab, I'd say even. Once I have that, let's get these things and maybe the concrete production. There. Okay. No place to dump products. I'm guessing we're talking about rock. Yeah, I don't guess I'll just make a storage place for rock for now, so I can then use it later on with the recipes. Let's position you. Let's also set you guys to not produce for now, so I don't get all of those missing people warnings. How many? Okay, we get 1 worker extra, which will be used for the beacon. Once we get more, we can start up all of these things. Okay, so this is coming along acceptably, I'd say. Next thing, storage, loose storage. Sure, but I'm gonna do that stuff, so for now I'll just dump it here. So this will be now rocks. Okay. So now we're still waiting for this to be finished, so 160 iron scrap. Once that's done, I'll switch this to start using the iron ore. Still crafting more trucks, which need mechanical parts, I think. Yeah, setting up something for mechanical parts now might not be the worst idea. So let's see, mechanical parts, just take iron plates. How should I do it? Let's go like this. Can I turn these around? I can't, right? No. Okay. So, right, I can't really do that either just yet. There. To this point, we're just waiting for the iron to be shipped off to where it's needed. Conveyor belts are being built. As soon as we get conveyor belts, we can speed up the process a bit. So we're gonna need wood, bricks, and iron to supply this. Brick production is 8 per 40. We're looking at 4 per 40. That's fine. Wood should be fine. Yeah, I think these two should not be causing a problem. So assembly electric, this would speed up things, but since I don't even have construction parts 2 yet, that's not yet an option. So let's just wait it out a bit. We are expecting refugees very soon. Excellent. Okay. So we're producing right now just electricity needed for the beacon, since everything else is not powered just yet. Okay, let's pause you as well. Actually, right now I'm gonna pause you since I don't really need the research to be faster that much. And there we go. New refugees and even got some resources. So let's get you guys to work where this is 8, 10, 15 people needed for that. So that's not an option just yet. But this can go. So diesel production is possible. See, and we have diesel and rubber production actually. Great. We have mechanical parts coming in. And we're waiting for the next batch of refugees, 2 months only. Excellent. Okay. How's the status here? Okay, seems like we are doing quite fine. Vehicle parts are missing. The mechanical. Do need to consider the electronics. That's gonna be copper and rubber. Rubber have electronics will be needed then up here somewhere as well. For now, I'll just place it here. There we go, and I'll later on figure out how to do it better. Okay, new refugees. Excellent. We can start some of the copper. Oh, we're not handling the exhaust. Let's maybe go here. Here we go. Okay, that should be fine. Then we need 2 more people for this process. And then we can start conveying stuff. There. There. So that's the first one we really need. How's the tree harvesting coming along? Acceptable. You're crafting. No place to dump products. Which products would that be? Where are my coal trucks? Ah, yes, dirt. So I did say that this is a rock dump area. Yeah. Okay. I will make another loose storage here-ish. Yeah. And this one will be used for dirt. So that all of them can dump dirt. The problem is... Right. Let's do it like this. And you can only... I can't set that up yet. Never mind. Do that. Don't have that option. So conveyor belts we have and tools we have. We're waiting for more workers, which will be here. They'll be here in a month. That's excellent. And actually after this next batch of refugees, I'm gonna stop accepting them so that I first expand the village. There we go. Okay, let's turn this back on. And this. And this. There. And you are a dirt dump site. U shape, I believe. Is needed then. There. Okay. So now everybody will just be dumping dirt into this loose storage, and it will be piped via the belt. Okay. So what's our status? Our coal is not good. Our wood is not that good. Pulse is acceptable for now. So these two are crafting permanently now. That's great. If I should just make another assembly for the construction parts. so that I just slowly build up a stock of level 2 construction parts. Let me just see. I could do it like this. There we go. Don't actually properly need that, but... Right, do I go with the electric one? Nah, that's gonna use up too many. Speed up the resource consumption too fast. There we go. Okay, and let's say you do construction parts too. Okay, that's coming along. How about you? You're missing iron scrap. Let's also activate iron ore in that case. I'm guessing, yeah, you're done. You just have bricks left. And how's the coal mining? Okay, we're mining coal. Nice. We do need to expand our village. Aha, like that. Yes, there we go. And do we already have the fuel station? And that would be vehicle stuff. No, we're researching it just as we speak. Okay, so once that's done, I don't need to have the big trucks, big machines running around and refueling, but those trucks, the fuel station can have a dedicated truck, and that truck will then refuel everything in its vicinity. And how's my... It does seem like my audio should be fine. Hopefully, because I did get a warning from YouTube that I'm not sending enough audio. Let's see. Can I do this? Can I do this? Ah, okay, yeah, I can hear the audio is acceptable. There we go. So, next thing, the village is almost done. Let's start searching for new refugees. 6 months, okay. Oh, we're actually a worker short. Let's pause this for a moment. But I could set this to a higher priority so that thing definitely has a worker. Okay. My Unity income is a bit... Beacon 2 times research lab, that's a bit problematic. Okay, it's fine. How's our waste dump? Excellent. And I'm guessing the dirt here should be filled up already. Yes, of course. I'll drop this to a single truck, since I don't think I'm limited by the amount of dirt I'm bringing in. We're missing more construction parts. Yes, of course. Since I set up these conveyor belts, the system started acting as if the trucks aren't allowed to pick it up anymore. And it started acting like that because it was set up like that, of course. Not that it's a bug or anything, just I didn't implement it properly. So, now that we have that, great, we could potentially streamline this part as well. So the input, not sure if that's the limiting factor just now, but how much would this cost? This is 30 each. Maybe I could go with that, I'm not quite sure. I'll place a warehouse here for the... I'll place it like this. For these components. Then I'll place another warehouse over here. That will be for the output of construction materials too. There. Excellent. Once those are done, the idea is that don't want the trucks to come here for each individual resource, but they should only come here for to the warehouses here. Go. Just a moment, just have to mute something. There we go. There. Okay, excellent. So this is not the initial portion. This will now be taking care of the output mostly. Where are my refugees? There we go. Excellent. Dismiss fuel station. Yes. Excellent. So for now, I'll just place you over here and just connect the diesel connection via pipe. There. And you will have one truck dedicated to you. As soon as this is built, the trucks will be able to, instead of just picking up 4 of construction parts at once here, they'll be able to pick up as many as they need from this unit storage. Hopefully, at least. So we are right now losing Unity. I'm guessing because we are over cap. So I'll slow that down just for now. Wait for this one to be finished. So you are constantly crafting, so that's not an issue. And if I'm not mistaken, electric assembler is just faster. It is the same identical recipe, right? Yes. Okay. So let's say, let's wait for that one. How much is still left here? Quite a bit. Okay, let's say you are the primary. I'll prioritize this, since right now it's taking forever for the trucks to collect everything and deliver, simply because they're delivering in such small quantities. Like this truck is transporting 4 and this one is transporting 4. Yeah, so that will still take quite a few rounds before this is done. But once this is done, all of the construction materials will flow into here, and then the trucks won't be overused this much. Okay, unit is now fine because I turned off the beacon. How's this? We have the problem here. We don't have a slag disposal area. For now, I'll just place it over here and say this is for slag. There. As soon as it's built. What can I buy? What can I buy? So the basic is, I can buy construction parts, so that would be useful. So let's this. Maybe also concrete slabs, just so I set up a supply of them. So don't need to focus on mountain construction that fast, since I can afford the Unity right now. And there we go. There the trucks will now be able to pick up more at once. See, this one is already 14 parts. And the village is built, so let's continue attracting more people. I will now also just prepare these 2, I think, yeah. Extra silos. So something like this. So that goes for 5. There. Then from here I can go here, here, and 1 up, and... Oh. Seriously? Okay. I think I might be a tad bit too pedantic with this, but it's really important. Trust me. It's not, of course, it's not important, it doesn't matter, it's just a matter of taste. There we go. And from up here to over here, And the last one will be actually like this, 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 and then I need to deliver the iron to there somehow. Can I transport the iron? Somehow like this? Not sure why, but this does feel really stupid to do it this way. Here. And I think I will do a storage first. Then out of that storage I will pipe the iron over there. So I'm really not sure if this now was important to do it like that. I'm not sure that this is any sort of bottleneck that would require a belt. Like, this is how much? 21 construction part 2s. It's quite a lot, I think. Okay, groundwater pump. I guess I could go for that. Perfect positioning here. So, like this, and for now I'll just set it up like that. Don't care about the efficiency of not prioritizing the rainwater. And we are right now producing... Where can I check? Average production per 60, okay. And our consumption... I'm not sure if this is enough or not. We'll see. We got new refugees. Excellent. We still have room for more workers, so let's accept them. We are researching the better farms where we can irrigate them, which is also a very good thing. Electronics. Let's go like this. So electronics will now be delivered from here into this and then will be used to construct in the assembly. Okay. Bit worried that since I connected all of those, yeah, I think since I connected them already, that they stopped being delivered to by trucks, because these are not being undelivered from. I won't use Unity for that, because I do enjoy how the trucks need to deliver all the resources to where they're needed. I really do enjoy that part. Okay, your problem is the extra slag. Yeah, okay. Prioritize this, even though I'm not sure that's gonna do anything, considering... Yeah, that's not gonna do anything for now. Let's just add slag to what's allowed to be dumped. Since this completely stopped until the slag would be removed, and I wouldn't be producing any iron, so I wouldn't be producing construction parts, and due to that I would never actually finish this building. So let's just add that for now. We have a bunch of iron plates here that aren't being collected until we build the unit storage. Okay, but new iron plates are being built. I mean, being built, made that will stay inside the inventories of the casters, and they can be picked up by the trucks. So that should help a bit. Okay, so how's the tree situation? We already cut down this area, so next I can just say, just wipe this area of trees. How's our copper? Okay, let's check it like this. Our coal is a bit low, but we don't have any area that stores coal per se. Yeah, I don't think it's a proper issue, it's just we don't have storage for it. Wood does seem to be fine. Iron does feel like the bottleneck right now. It's until this is built, and then afterwards that as well. But we are just dropping the slag now here on the dump site until this is resolved. Okay, new refugees have arrived. Excellent. How's our diesel? Not perfect. Are we not producing enough? We don't have a way to store it properly. Okay, okay. So... Okay, I'll do it like this, and then actually cancel that construction. Pipe it here, and then pipe it over here. There we go. Dump trucks, I'm guessing that's again the dirt situation, which I will be ignoring for now. Like, what I can do is I can just unassign this truck, and once the dirt here is low, can I set up a warning or something? Alerts, yes. Notify if below 25%. There. Then I'll turn on this place again and fill it up. Would be nice if I could automate that, but I can't, at least not at this stage of the game yet. Okay. So, we are now starting to produce the construction materials again. Where were they? Construction parts, that is. This production here was nice. This was 12 per minute, I guess, and we're still not back there. Or are we? Okay, this will now stop again because it doesn't have enough iron. How much are we missing? We're still missing 10 parts there. The 2 parts are being delivered. Of course, since half of them go for construction parts too, and half of them actually are used then. So every time one construction batch here is done, we get only 2. Okay, and then we also are splitting them between the slag here and that, so it's not optimal. It's definitely not optimal. So for now, I'll turn that priority off. Okay, another batch of refugees, and once we get 14 more, then that's gonna be it. Okay, so let's make a new irrigated farm. Oh, maybe like this. Flip it around. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's pipe it up. And then both of you guys will be outputting to this. Sure, if I should do any height stuff, I think not. This isn't the important area to access and they can just drive around. Oh, we're in an energy situation. Okay, let's quickly add that. There, there, and let's go to there. There we go. That should solve itself at one point. Okay, iron production is now really nice. Okay, okay. So this is good. This is good. So with all of that coming along nicely, we could move this excavator to somewhere else, but right now I don't think we're missing any resources properly. Like we're not... Oh, we are actually not mining here fast enough. Okay. Then let's just say you're no longer employed there, and you will be employed here with an extra truck. As soon as the fuel station is done, we also should see the efficiency of these guys go up, since they won't have to drive around and go to the fueling stations. How many iron plates? We have a lot of iron plates now. So, right, I need to order what these two will be. One of them has to be bricks, and one of them has to be wood. Keep half full, keep half full. And there we go. And after that, we're gonna see the conveyor be built. That should speed up that process. Now, iron, I think I should, considering I should probably expand my iron production. So that would be like that. Metal caster here and here. And connect like that. There we go. Not perfect, but I guess that's a way to do it. And then I will also request a loose storage here for now, at least. And then another one here. Okay. And you'll also be able to process iron scrap and iron ore. There we go. Now the problem here is the coal amount is not the problem. The coal is being delivered in big enough batches. So the potential issue is only iron ore, which is actually quite good right now as well. Okay, refugees need to be paused now for a moment. Crop rotation. Sure, since I could just go with no crop. Which I'm not sure. Yeah, it doesn't actually improve my net yield. Yeah, so I'll keep it without that for now. Until I get like vegetables or something. At that point I can do that crop rotation. Okay, new refugees, that's done. Ramps for vehicles, that's nice, but not needed just yet. I'll order up a new housing project so that we can expand, even though we don't need workers that much right now, but still. Okay. Okay. Construction parts 2 are our missing thing right now, and construction parts 1 as well. Yeah, a lot of missing things right now. As soon as this is done, let's prioritize this one. Since as soon as that one's done, yes. Oh, right. I'm just noticing something. What I could do is actually disconnect this part. Leave that part as is. Since I believe it might make more sense to make this... No. This way? Ah, yes. Since I would like to expand actually the factories here, so that I can build more construction parts at once. Once this phase here is done. I could also look into... Do I need to research lab 2 for the advanced power generation? Yes, I do. Okay. I guess... Well, okay, this is both still research lab 1, so I'll queue those up. There we go. And this is all now preparing. I will wait out a bit until I have actually a backlog of construction parts 2 before I expand this, I think. But now this, right, I can switch you guys to auto, and I can switch you. You're on auto already, good. And we have a dedicated refueling truck as well. That's great. Okay. Could not store all potatoes after harvest because this isn't built yet. And that's 110 still missing. You are tech 2, not that important. Yeah, 2-ish, 100, maybe 300. Can I actually look at how much I'm missing of them? Production quantity, no, production. Yep. Don't see how much of a deficit I have. Okay, so concrete production was now also researched. So we need crushed rocks and sand. Sand, I guess, somewhere here. We're gonna collect the teeth of the skull. And phew, not sure I remember most of these things. Okay, so slag can be processed into crushed slag. That's good. Right, I can just go like here. Slag goes into crushed slag. Ah, like that, yes. And then that can be used in the cement mixer. So crushed slag plus either manufactured sand or sand. Manufactured sand is received from gravel. Okay, doesn't really matter. And cement is the important part. We also need to have a way to make cement. For that we need limestone. And limestone is just dug out of the ground. So limestone is, I think, this over here. So we would need to have a bridge somewhere, collect the limestone here, collect the sand here. Oh, we have some gold ore here. Ah, golden tooth, right. Funny. So yeah, limestone, sand, and combine those into cement. Yeah, not super enthusiastic about the fact that I'm gonna have to deal with that. But okay. So what I'm gonna do is this dump area, I will cancel it and immediately start going for a bridge somewhere over here. And then we'll see over time how we're gonna adjust that. Since we have a way to store slag now, I will stop dumping slag. And I will build that building that allows me to process slag. There we go. So you here can connect to over there. Awful connection. And I can now process slag. Ah, and quartz could then be processed via 2 steps. Okay. And rock can be processed into via 2 steps again into sand. But I do still need the limestone, so it doesn't solve the situation completely. But it's something, I guess. And you actually go out on the ground floor. Okay. So let's do it like that. And that's it regarding concrete production. So you guys are crafting as much as you can. I'm staying a bit conservative regarding power consumption. Worried for that. That might, like, if I would upgrade all of these to use power, that might be a bit too much, but we do have a bunch of workers. So what I could do is, can I copy like this one over here? Like that. I'm sure I could have found to put a better way of doing this, but oh well. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay. So, how are we in regards to this thing needs to be built ASAP. Since the reason why I don't have enough food is that I'm not storing it. Let's quickly drive over. Okay. A batch of potatoes is going to the city. Please don't starve. Please don't starve. Okay. Can I somehow set allow partially loaded trucks? Yeah, I'm still gonna leave this on for now. Oh, Research Lab 2 is ready. So I could order this upgrade. Go here and make this not be highlighted anymore. So I need the electric upgrade. Electric assembly. I'll for now just do it like this and go with, yeah, like that. Excellent. And our power consumption right now is very, very low, which makes me a tiny bit worried. I overclicked there. So I need one guy over here, one guy over here. Our food supply is a bit problematic, but we should get another batch soon-ish. As soon as this loose storage is done, that's gonna even further improve our situation. The mechanical parts here are used for what exactly? You're not using mechanical parts, you are not using them right now because I'm not building new machines. You are using them. Okay. Okay, so that should be fine. However, I might have to expand my electronics production. For now, let's just do it like that. Low food supply, it's still a lot of months left on the food supply, so that's fine. And you will soon start recovering the dirt supply from there. Okay. Why are you not producing? You're not producing because iron is not producing. Iron is not producing because slag. Oh, of course. Oh, we need this to be a high priority then. Yep, initially building those first couple of automated things, the belts initially is quite problematic due to this. Hopefully, maintenance shall recover now. So yeah, essentially the auto feature, as soon as it detects that this is connected to a belt, it stops sending trucks there, which generally is what you want. But since I don't have a big enough stockpile of construction parts, yeah, everything just grinds to a halt every so often. Okay, okay, we're recovering in regards to maintenance. Food-wise, we should be okay-ish. The most and iron is now again starting to kick. Ah, we still have more slag. I'm guessing that that's the issue with slag. Yeah. Okay, so let's just enable this for now. So the slag will be used next to the junk here to build the bridge over. Could probably just go like over here, but then I would have to. Let's see. If I go for this, so this is +3. So like here, it might make sense, but I'll just go there. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, vegetables farming. Excellent. Which means I need something to store my vegetables in. Could be this. And then I want a good method of there we go. And now I can say I want to rotate between vegetables and potatoes, which does lower the potato production, but does improve the overall production of food. And same here. There we go. Now we can actually store what we produce. Once this is built, which is still taking a while, since we're still not producing enough of construction parts too. Yeah. So I'm hoping that this farm, now that it's being output properly, it's gonna be fine. Hopefully, at least. Food and settlement. So I wonder what happens if I lose the carbs. So if I lose the potatoes, I'm not sure if that's gonna be fine then. And now I can see. So I'm using 10 potatoes per 60, which is not great considering I'm. Yeah. Okay, I will need to work more on the farming aspect. Now the next question is that I have. Okay, so lab 2 is here. So what I can say is I want to research all of these just to get just to essentially wrap up what's not based on lab 2. Oh, this is while the lab 2 is actually built up. So we're still on maximum speed. We are not. Okay, 45 tons, I guess, of vegetables in a moment. We need to say this, and we need to say you should be. Yeah, you are holding away. Very good. The truck should be coming here and taking that stuff away. Hopefully, any moment now, please. Come on, come on, come on. This is the problem now that I do have food stored here. Just needs to be output fast enough. Come on. I think, yeah, there's no way I can avoid starvation at that point. Can I trade for... No, I can't. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna buy these. And then I'm gonna essentially cry because I have the food, but I'm not... Yeah, I have the food, but I'm just not delivering it to the store here. Come on. 10 more. Could I? I can turn this one off just for long enough to build this storage, hopefully. But I'm also worried. Okay, never mind. Until we have rain, we're not producing more food, so that's extra problem. We have 4 left, and there we go. Tree planting, excellent. That is something I want. While I ignore that situation for a bit, see where do we want to have our tree farm. So for now, I can go with like over here. Designation, let's okay, like that. Okay, sure. And area would be then be from here to here. Tree harvester, let's assign it, and I also need to assign a tree planter as soon as I can afford one. So tree planter. And also, right, I can stop this construction for now. There is no point in building that. What's being built here? So improvement to the iron situation. Sure, I guess. Oh, right, we need to keep this thing empty. We are massively losing workers now. Assuming due to lack of food. Well, assuming. It's absolutely due to lack of food. Just hope we keep a couple people alive. How far are you? Why is nobody... Oh, is it possible that... No. Ah! I see, I see, I see. I massively apologize to the people that I made forced to starve, essentially. I didn't realize that you need multiple of these. Okay, okay. Ah, okay, let's now shut down this place. Let's shut down this place. Okay, we have -6 workers still. Yeah, sure, we can turn that guy off. But you're being upgraded, you are still working. Okay, we are now actually stable food-wise. And we do now also know that just vegetables is already enough. Okay. What's the status? We are gonna get potatoes in a very short time. We need new refugees now. That's our biggest thing. Okay. Ah, so one potato feeds 21 people for a month. So, okay, I could calculate some stuff out of that, which I am not going to do right now. But now we should be able to feed them both vegetables and potatoes, because apparently potatoes are not part of the vegetables family. Not sure if family is the correct term there. Whatever. Okay. So, retaining walls are being researched. We don't need those just yet. Like, I could use those to prove the construction of this bridge, but I'm not gonna worry on that just yet. Okay, we have a bit of a lack of workers, but we are recovering from that. We now have some potatoes and some vegetables for people. I think, not sure, but I'm guessing what might happen that if they have more food, they actually eat less of a singular food then. Not sure. And a new batch of vegetables is already coming in. This is great. Yeah, now we... Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. And as soon as this one is also built, then we're gonna be even better. But for that we need more workers. Right, we don't probably need that much power either if we're not running half the stuff we have. Let's just pause this one for now. Okay. Now we're just waiting to recover our population a bit, restart some productions. And we received some new people. Excellent. So let's try with that. 5. We can also go with that and that then. Not enough maintenance. How is that possible? Also set it to priority 9, so you are gonna be stocked up enough. Okay, it is a problem of not enough electronics, which will now also be fixed. Okay. Hopefully, we should now be fine. We will be needing more people food-wise, we do need to get this thing operational. Okay, what do we have here? I'm missing people, and I don't want to turn everything back on just yet. I'm a bit worried also regarding fuel. Don't have a lot in the fuel department. Lot of backlog left. Let's turn those two off. Now we have this operational. We will need you with 6 people. Okay, so that's definitely the next refuge group or refugee group. Maintenance wise, we should be recovering. Okay. While we wait, just quickly do a trade here. Yes, I would like to do one trade, please. Not sure if this here is really that important anymore. I mean, maybe, I guess. Yeah, so I'll use less of the raw resources. I'm not sure. I never played this game far enough to realize if you can uh, actually run out of resources or not. Okay, so what's our production on construction parts? Still not as stable as it was here. Like, this is an amazing period of stability. So why not? Because we don't have enough bricks. We don't have enough bricks because we don't have enough water, because we don't have the ground pump operational just yet. We need more stuff. Okay, let's just get more bricks. Next batch of refugees is here. Awesome. Let's turn on the fuel production. Maybe also the... Like, I don't need to increase my iron production, that's obvious here. Maybe rubber production. How do you guys with copper is still present, so that's acceptable, let's say. Let's see. Still have... Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna turn you off for now. And I will queue up a new woodcutter. Will I? No, I won't. Now, I would like to also get in a one rotation of saplings, which is turning out to be quite problematic. Do I have access? I'm not sure my trucks can drive up here. I guess I'll just build a farm for one cycle. So on normal farm. To store enough saplings for these guys to go just for one. Please work on the saplings. There we go. And I'll just remove this later on once I have a better spot for it. How's this place? Okay. No. Okay. Let's just turn you off for now. Not enough workers. When's the next batch coming in 3 months. Okay. So groundwater is our biggest issue right now, since we are not... That's preventing us from building bricks permanently. Grab some more stuff. My biggest problem right now is definitely brick production. So let's unpause you. And that does not really help us, considering we don't have the workers for it. Oh, this takes 10 workers, that's the problem. I see. So we are estimated 48 tree saplings. in a year. Okay, that's acceptable, let's say. Transport balancing, yeah, okay, new refugees, excellent, excellent. Boom. So brick production is limited by still the water, I'd say. Till I have that water operational, I wouldn't expand this further, but as soon as the water is operational, I will add extra brickworks here, I think. What I will do is actually go into planning mode and prepare the stuff. So coal I want half, dirt is done like that, it's fine. There, there. So how do I do this then? Like that. Okay. This looks stupid as hell. But it's fine. It's fine. Okay. If I say like this also works out fine. Okay. And then we're gonna unit storage this here. There we go. As soon as all of this is ready, we can then speed up the brick production. Now we are looking at actually pumping water. Okay, so let's see. Brick production. Bricks. I'm guessing these were trades because I don't think I had that actual production. Okay, what do we have new? None of these are actually needed right now. We do have a truck coming down here. Okay. All of the other alerts seem to be done. Okay. So hopefully that's it. So let's see, construction materials we're getting. We are now recovering. I would still like to have this post, just not the construction. The construction can finish, so it's ready when needed. Okay. I think you guys might be ready to also kick into production. We'll see. And let's make that one happen. New refugees, excellent. We still have room for a couple more. We are also building the farm here, so that will help with our food production. How's the bridge coming along? Very slowly. The concrete is still a bit far away. Okay. Excellent. Okay. So what do we have now? We have this basic copper setup. This a bit more advanced iron setup that's mixed in with the oil refinery. We are starting to set up like a mole system here for some things that are needed. We're building the village there. Our farming setup is here. We're building a bridge here to connect to the other island. But not in the most optimal location. It's gonna work. It's gonna be brute force and it's gonna work. We are also, I thought at least I did extra, then I'm gonna set up a extra tree harvester to be built and a couple extra trucks, I think. Since the trucks are every so often busy and the tree harvester needs an extra truck and we are low on food, which means our population might be a bit problematic, but we are slowly getting that second farm up. Once that's up, that should help, hopefully. Okay, why are you slow? You're not actually slow, you're just waiting for things to build. Okay, could I build you here? I could potentially build you here. Okay, let's leave it for now. Like, I do want to later on expand my production of construction, but for now I think it's fine. Let's not overdo it. Essentially, to just limit growth a bit. I will hold it to, oh no, right, on pause that here as well. Yeah, let's get a couple more refugees in, so I have a backlog of a nice supply of workers essentially to be ready for when I'm expanding anything. So what else could be using the advanced construction stuff? This thing here. There we go. Let's wait with that thing. This is also gonna be paused. There. Now all the construction parts too should be delivered to the farm down here. Hopefully. Okay. New refugees. Okay. They're bringing less and less resources with them, which makes sense since later on you need to depend more and more on your own economy, but still, was hoping I would get some more things that way. Okay. So, anything else for now? I think I'll wrap it all up slowly. So this is fine, this is fine. Once I have a... Oh, I do have... Are you guys constructing constantly? You're not, because we don't have the bricks for that. There we go. So our brickworks need to improve here. For that... Oh, yeah, I won't start building this because that's gonna slow down the farm construction. And we are already... We're gonna be needing that farm very soon. This one does take construction parts 1, so that's fine. But yeah, I'll not do aggressive expansion for now. I'll wait it out so that I can do the brick stuff here as soon as this farm is built and we're stable on food. Gonna go for brick stuff, and once that's done, I will maybe build even a second construction thing. Construction 2 manufacturing, so I can start building faster again. Okay. So for now we're just waiting. Oh, tree harvester has no truck and without a fuel. Excellent. Let's check what's going on. You're making fuel at a rate which apparently is not enough. So what I'm going to do is I'll just make more oil pumps, I guess. What else is there to do in such a situation? Oh, and let's go out of planning mode and allow all of this to be built, and I'm not sure what I blocked there. I'll just have to live with it for now. Okay. So truck is dedicated to this now. So it's come there. It comes there. It should be visible and help. So this one will just essentially strip mine this entire area of trees. While we also have the farm over here that's making sure that we have a renewable source of wood active. Okay, and what's the situation here? Yeah, for now you're still fine. Okay, We're gonna pause this now, since I don't have room for more people. Food-wise, we are also cutting it extremely close. You guys are not working again because bricks. I wonder how far into the tech tree are the trade ships. Trade, nothing. Route, maybe? Trading. Trading dock. Okay, vehicle management unlocked. I could potentially... Ah, right, I need to repair everything first before I can... Okay, I'll work on that later. Okay, so let's see, we're still missing construction parts too. So how's our oil production here? So what I think I'm going to do is... Oh, you're in... This, and we're gonna say this is the coal drop-off point. So the trucks from the mine here will just drive to here, hopefully, which should speed up my whole mining speed. Hopefully, at least. There we go. So as soon as the trucks are not back, and then different trucks should deliver the coal to here actually. Okay, what I'm also going to do is I'm gonna remove this oil pump and this pipe so I can prepare a way to load up coal into all of these structures here. I'll replace the oil pipe with one over here, for instance. Okay, yes, let's say. Okay, now let's also set up a loose storage. Where? Over here for now. And let's go then with a U-shaped conveyor. Let's go here, here, and then let's go. Can I go up 2? This isn't gonna work out fine, I think. I think I'm so overcomplicating this and so overthinking it. And also I'm so wasting construction part 2s. Oh well, let's keep this one full. And then you can't reach your destination now any longer because I made this hell. So I guess the problem is these two can't be reached anymore. Let's do that. And let's just sacrifice that I have to do. Go, and we're gonna set to iron ore. We're gonna set you to iron ore, there we go. As soon as this is now done, all of them should be functioning again. Okay, we have a way to do that. How are we with construction parts 2 now? Oh, you're done. You're done. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Getting the first vegetables soon. You can't dump something. I don't know what, but you can dump it, okay? Guessing dirt might be an issue. Let's turn you off for now. And now, hopefully, I'm gonna produce enough diesel to actually start this diesel, right? Yeah. Start refueling our trucks and machines and everything. You're missing construction parts. Construction parts are missing bricks. Let's buy more bricks. Okay. Can't reach destination. Yeah, I know, I know, I know. Can I can say you should go there? Can I tell you to go there? No. Can I? Hmm. There. Should help, hopefully, at least. So I'm going to say this is a high priority, and this is a high priority job. Hopefully that's gonna help. I'm a bit worried here regarding the coal. Are these trucks driving the coal over there constantly, or what are they doing? Not sure. Okay. Okay, you're alone here. That's fine-ish. Right. Why am I not actually... Okay, let's do it like that. I think it was again the issue of the auto system turning off everything. Hopefully this should somewhat work now. I mean, it's a combination of multiple factors and I guess chain reaction where I simply don't have the fuel to do everything, and due to that I can't recover and get back into the stage where I have fuel. Can I buy some of it? I of course can't, since I don't have any coal stored. Of course. Okay, at least food situation is sort of okay. Right, can I refuel for Unity? No, I can't. Okay. What I can do is I can pause this belt, so everything goes into construction parts 2. And since hopefully I have all the construction part 2 stuff paused except for this here. Yes, this is now built. You know, this wasn't actually the problem, right? I think at least it wasn't the problem here. Yeah, I mean, I have enough iron. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say iron scrap is no longer processed here. And we are going to be processing iron scrap here. That's fine. And now this is also built. So our iron production now is quite large. But I'm gonna stop all those three, reactivate that part. Now mostly what I need is just this to produce enough diesel, hopefully. I'm just gonna boost it for a short while. Doesn't have much of an effect considering I would need to boost this as well. So did I? Of course I did. I boosted the chimney there. Okay. Now the next problem is we don't have enough coal for this. Okay. No available place to dump dirt. Is that true? Can only be true if you're not doing anything. You're not doing anything because you can dump dirt, I'm guessing. How much do I have? I have enough. Like, as soon as I can start ordering these where exactly to dump stuff, I could actually build another one there. So another loose storage for just to dump everything out of the mine and then ship it with different trucks. For now, we are missing the coal. What I could do is I could turn this on just to provide them really miniature boost to everything. Since we don't have the coal, I'll turn off the boosts here. Can I buy anything useful? No, no. But we are recovering fuel-wise. And you're crafting as fast as you can. Good. The problem here is I don't have the coal. And I can't get the coal. Because the trucks have to drive to the other side of the planet. Smart conveyor routing. Okay, I don't need that just now. We should be able to kickstart with this coal here, at least a tiny bit. Right, I can do this, I can do this. I can just say dirt can now be dumped over there. And then I can turn this off again. I completely forgot about that option. I'm not enthusiastic about dumping dirt here, but I guess I don't have much of a choice right now. Okay. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this first episode. I will go off now and continue playing hopefully later today, but more likely tomorrow. Where I hope somebody joins and we can have some fun. Thank you for watching and goodbye.